The cost of obtaining a mortgage can really be broken down into two simple categories: the loan interest rate and the lender origination charges. The loan interest rate is simple to understand. It's the rate of interest at which you'll repay your loan. The interest rate is normally disclosed on the original estimated fee sheet that you'll receive from your loan officer. But the lender costs, called origination charges, are much harder for the consumer to look at and determine what the actual cost of the loan is. Why? Because when a lender gives you a loan cost estimate, it shows you all the costs involved in closing a home loan. This includes the lender fees, but also includes the fees charged by outside service providers, such as the appraiser and the title company. And it also shows you the charges for your prepaid items, your taxes, insurance, and interest due at time of closing. All of these numbers are bundled together and totaled at the bottom in a line called Total Estimated Funds Needed to Close. But you need to know that this total number includes many things that vary greatly dependent on the loan officer's estimate, and it also includes a credit for any of your costs being paid for by the seller in a purchase transaction. So, how do you know how much the loan is actually costing you? Look at the very top section of your loan cost estimate. The top section of charges will be entitled Origination Charges, and that is the actual cost that the lender is charging you for your loan. With Premier Mortgage Lending, our origination charges will normally be zero on any of our traditional loan products. When comparing, concentrate on those origination charges because all of the other charges, regardless of which lender you use, will be basically the same. The other charges do not vary among lenders. Those, for the most part, will be the same with all lenders. So, if your origination charges show anything but zero under origination charges, you need to get a second estimate to compare. If you want to pay more to get the exact same thing, that's your prerogative. But if you prefer to save money, check the origination charges, and you may be shocked at the difference. For more information, please visit PremierMortgageLending.com.